A red Lamborghini struck two of the pedestrians who were there on the footpath adjacent to the under construction building yesterday in Noida. And right now we are at that particular location, and this location comes under the Noida Sector 126 police station, and this is also adjacent to Sector 94 Noida. You can see the visuals. This was the particular location where the red Lamborghini struck two of the pedestrians, and right now also the two laborers who were sitting here were rammed by the red Lamborghini, causing severe injuries. And talking about that particular car, then yes, the owner is named to be the famous YouTuber Mridul Tiwari as per the reports. And also the video is viral, wherein the driver of the luxurious car was captured asking whether anyone had died, or when he was confronted by the people present at the site. We are showing you the visuals of the location as well. A big M3M project is going on here, and it is under construction right now. The situation of the tree that is here is very evident, that the tree is completely broken after the sports car, the red Lamborghini, hit this particular footpath. And again, showing you the visuals of the road as well, then it can be said that the driver named Deepak was coming on a wrong side on this particular road, and after that, coming from that particular side, he hit this footpath where two of the people were sitting here wearing helmets and the orange jackets as well, and those people have been taken to the hospital as per the police as well, because they are seriously and severely injured. And talking about the driver, then yes, he is into police custody right now, and he has been named his name is Deepak, and he is under police custody right now, and the questioning is being done. And today as well, the owner of the car, the famous YouTuber and influencer, the Mridul Tiwari, will also be called to the police station for further inquiry in this particular case. And when the videos came out of this accident, the driver Deepak was clearly seen asking कि लोग मर गए हैं क्या, but the people who were injured and who were struck by the car has not been died, we can say, but they are severely injured. And this was the particular location where that particular accident happened last evening, and still the matter is under Sector 126 police station right now, and the police has admitted those two laborers in a hospital right now, but they are still in a critical condition. But still the inquiry is underway in this particular case. With camera person Himanshu, I am Mendi Garg for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.